Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a Tesla Model S key fob. First, make sure your new key fob is at room temperature. This helps ensure a smooth pairing process. Next, head to your Tesla's large touchscreen. Tap on the controls icon, then find and select the locks option. From there, you will see a keys menu where you can begin adding your new key fob. This simple initial step gets you ready for the next stage of programming. Now that you are in the keys menu, tap the Add Key button. Take your new key fob and place it on the left wireless phone charger in your Tesla. It's important to position the key fob correctly. Point its front side down, resting it against the center divider of the charger. Gently swipe it downwards. You should hear a chime, indicating that your Tesla has recognized the new key fob and is ready for the next step. Once you hear the chime, carefully remove the new key fob from the charger. To confirm the pairing, you will need an existing, already authenticated key. This could be another key fob or a key card. Place this existing key on the card reader, typically located on the wireless phone charger, to approve the new key. After this quick scan, your vehicle's key list on the touchscreen will update, showing your newly paired key fob, ready for customization. With your new key fob paired, you can now personalize it. On the touchscreen, touch the small pencil icon next to the new key's entry to give it a custom name, like My Key Fob. Finally, it is crucial to test its functionality. Use the new key fob to lock and unlock your Tesla's doors. Also, confirm it can open both the front and rear trunks. Your Tesla can manage up to 19 keys, including 4 key fobs, giving you plenty of options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.